Hi friends, how are you? I hope you had a very nice day and a very nice week. I wanted to give you an update regarding the personal readings. For all of those who have paid for the personal readings, they will be receiving their readings in this coming week. As you know, I work with a lot of clients. So if you have not already paid for the readings, then I would suggest that you pay as soon as possible, because there is a waiting period of around till the end of this month, till the end of this month spots are already gone, or my time is already gone. So if you don't book right now and you still want to wait, then you would be, it would get further delayed. So I would suggest you pre-book right now, and pre-booking is just sending what needs to be sent. The readings are the $88 reading if you're sure that you are that person is your twin flame. If you're not sure and also need confirmation along with the twin flame reading, full channeling, then it is the $99 reading, which also gives you a confirmation. That is $11 more. So all of you have already sent their stories, their payments, everything. You're going to receive your readings turn by turn in this particular week. uh, so you don't need to contact me at all. um, no contact needed at all. Just wait, relax. Like I always tell you, relaxation is very important, because when I'm reading your energy, I want you to be relaxed. That does not mean that I will contact everybody and tell them that I'm doing your reading, be relaxed. No, but this is a general thing that I tell you, be relaxed. And because I don't know about other readers, when I'm actively posting on YouTube, my clientele is quite high. But I have each and every notification of who has sent me what, and I remember people by names from even 5 to 10 years back. So don't feel that you're not remembered, it's not known. Every name, every last name, resonates with me, and I know all of your stories and stuff, which I discard after the reading is done. So it's not like your story goes somewhere or whatever. So I wanted to give all this information, and this information is not for further inquiries. This is a one-way thing that I'm releasing. I don't want any inquiries on that, because all kinds of inquiries also take time, and I don't have that kind of time. I would like to invest the time on reading for you and doing the actual work, rather than just going through. And all of the information is in the services available video. Go there, description box has all the information. Then the description box also has my website, which I believe you should fully read before you approach me for a reading, so that you know everything. So this is all from my side, and like I said, I hope you're having very wonderful days. Keep going on the twin flame journey, and like I said, pre-book your readings. For those who have already booked, there are so many people, they many of them have already received their readings, many of them. And those who haven't yet, you are being considered up next. So just relax and wait, like I always say, and have a smile on your face. And all those other people who have been inquiring and have not yet received my replies, I urge you to pre-book everything and just be relaxed after that. You can pre-book inner work, you can pre-book readings. Go to the services available video kindly, so that you don't fall into the waiting period. Because if you even book in this week, you will be taken up by the last week of this month. But otherwise you will go on to the next month. So it is your free will, your free choice. Enjoy and have fun. Thank you.